Welcome to the homemaking and gardening channel. Today I am going to show you the recipe of Neem Brinjal fry or Neem Begun, which is a Bengali nutritious recipe. For this we need brinjal. My husband is plucking a fresh brinjal from the small kitchen garden that we own at our rooftop. Also we need young fresh neem leaves, and we are plucking a few from the kitchen garden that we have on the kitchen slab. Now, to reduce the bitterness of the neem leaves, I am submerging the neem leaves into salted water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You may take more neem leaves, but since our plant is small, so we just got a few and we have to be satisfied with this much of neem leaves, unfortunately. Now we are chopping the brinjals into small pieces. I've taken 2 brinjals only, and that's enough. This is a small brinjal. We have to dry roast the neem leaves. Make sure there is no water in the neem leaves, but unfortunately in my case some water just by chance fell into it and I did not notice. So make sure that there's no water. So once you dry roast it, just keep it separate. Now add a little ghee to the pan. You may add oil as well, but ghee is nutritious, so I prefer adding it. Now I'm adding brinjal to the ghee. Also I'm adding turmeric powder and salt. By adding salt, a lot of water will be released now, so I'm preferring to cook the brinjal by covering the pan. If the contents of the pan sticks to the bottom of it, just splash a few drops of water. I'm adding a small green chili into it and covering it. So once the brinjal is soft, it's almost ready. I'm adding the roasted neem leaves and stirring the whole content. And yes, our Neem Begun is ready to be served with hot rice. So I'm switching off the flame, and yes, it's done. It can be served as a starter with your Bengali platter. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.